Welcome to our comparison of two popular dishwashers, the HAVA Countertop Dishwasher and the Honeywell 18-inch dishwasher. In this video, we'll explore their features, specifications, and user feedback to help you decide which one is the best fit for your kitchen needs. The HAVA Countertop Dishwasher is designed for portability, making it perfect for apartments and RVs. It requires no plumbing, while the Honeywell 18-inch dishwasher is a built-in model that fits into standard kitchen setups. If you need flexibility, the HAVA is the way to go. But for larger households, the Honeywell offers a more permanent solution. When it comes to capacity, the Honeywell dishwasher can accommodate up to 8 place settings, making it suitable for larger families. In contrast, the HAVA can only handle 4 place settings, which may be limiting for some users. If you frequently host gatherings, the Honeywell might be the better choice. Noise level is another important factor. The HAVA operates at 60 decibels, which is relatively quiet but not the quietest. The Honeywell, however, boasts a noise level of only 42 decibels, making it a great option for those who prioritize a peaceful kitchen environment. In conclusion, both the HAVA and Honeywell dishwashers have their unique advantages. The HAVA is perfect for those needing a portable solution, while the Honeywell offers greater capacity and quieter operation. Be sure to consider your specific needs before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.